good, guys? It's your boy I1, aka Kawan, and I'm outside, man. As y'all can see, I'm outside chilling. Just got off a run, 3.5 miles. I felt good, so just cooling down right now. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can tell, the clouds still look cloudy out here. They pump fed yesterday, it didn't rain. So it didn't rain yesterday, so it probably not gonna rain today. So I'm gonna just go ahead, get my little nature time in right quick. So yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Finna go ahead and get it in. Like I said, I want to go out here, just go ahead and hit the nature walk. I don't want it to rain, but I don't think it's gonna rain. I think we're gonna be cool. Cool. Let me stop. What's up, bro? Yeah, I think we're gonna be cool, man, but yeah, I'm feeling good, y'all. I definitely would recommend, if y'all say y'all work out, get that cardio in. Don't skip cardio. Do not do it. Don't do it to yourself. Cause I'm just saying, for niggas like me, you know, I'm not a hooper, but I like to hoop. So when you go out there and you trying to, you know what I'm saying, do your 1-2 on the court, you can't be gassed out after 3 dribbles, you know? 3 hard. Can't be gassed out, bro. So get your cardio up, man. And you know, being strong is cool, having muscles is cool, but I ain't trying to be Bob the Builder. Not Bob the Builder. I ain't trying to be the Macho Man or whatever the case may be. But yeah, man, I just got back to the room. Finna go read this. It is called The Big Eye. It's a science fiction book, and it's basically about America. How ironic is this? It's basically about America being at war with Russia, or they right at the brink of the starting of the war. And right before, like I said, they're on the brink of war, some aliens come down and they attack the whole earth. So now they got to figure some shit out. Sound pretty interesting, right? Yeah. I could probably be a bookkeeper or something, right? Could probably like sell y'all some books or something. Y'all come into the store. You know what I'm saying? I could make the most boringest book sound so interesting. Finally made it back outside once again, y'all. Back out here once again. Like I said, go get on this nature walk. Yeah, it feels good. It's like 80. It's in the high 80s out here today, which is so crazy because, like I said, it looked like it's about to pour down, but I wish it felt like this back at home in Virginia. Like if it was cloudy, but it actually was hot outside, that'd be awesome. But it is what it is. I'm enjoying my time here. Really been taking it day by day, as y'all can tell. Since January, been going crazy in my experience. So, yeah, man, we gonna keep it going. Y'all can tell, posted up right here. Oh, yeah, I'm so excited too for this week coming up because, bro, I never thought, I don't know why I didn't think this, but I never thought I would see the day that they are gonna come out with a Mike Jackson biopic and his family is gonna play him. Like, it might be the greatest movie of all time, right? Like, genuine. Like, I thought Sinners was gonna be good, but a Mike Jackson movie and my family playing me, It don't get no better than that. Like, it don't get no better than that. Like, I don't care who you is. If you watching this video, you heard of Michael Jackson. That's how legendary bro was. So, you ever get the feeling like people are looking at you, but you just don't care? That's how I feel right now. You gotta be so careless out here, bro. You care what people think. That really expose how you is, right? Woo. Yeah, man. Let me cross this street, though. There's cars and stuff. There we go. Don't hit me, please. Don't hit me. Don't hit me, please. Don't hit me. But yeah, low-key excited to see what this book talking about. I haven't read like an actual science, not science. I wouldn't even say science, but like an actual like what you call it? Story. I haven't read a story in like so long, bro. It's been a cool minute since I read a story. Like, I don't know. I'm naturally into self-help books, which is so crazy because I don't even like reading self-help, but I just find myself reading. Stupid, right? But I'm not gonna lie, I consider The Alchemist a self-help book, but in a novelist type way. So maybe that's what I mean. The self-help novelist, you know. Yo, look. Randomly came across this. Randomly came across this shisha. Like, where's the sea at? Is there something in here? Ain't nothing in there. But y'all remember like, y'all remember like when y'all was young and y'all used to go to the beach and used to go see seashells in the sand and you put them up to your ear and they could say, hey, my mama, not my mom, my grandma, probably was my mom too. But they used to be like, you can hear the waves of the ocean inside the seashell. Still a thing, right? What was that? All in the membrane. It's crazy, but it's a pretty cool seashell. I think I'm gonna keep it. All right, guys, so scratch that. I'm not gonna be reading nothing because, yeah, there's just not. I'm gonna just wait till I get back to the room. But I do wanna, you know, I might just go over here. Look at that ugly ass giraffe. Ugly ass giraffe. They ain't even know a giraffe. I'm taller than that giraffe. Yeah. See me. Anyways, man, Y'all see me out here, man. Odd one. Make sure you like the video. Share the video. I got 4 weeks left, man. 4 weeks left, 30 days. We almost there, y'all. I know I can do it. Stay focused and keep going, man. Make sure y'all like the video. Like the video.
22. All this money, I'm getting right to it. If my way is so fluid, all these bitches I'm running through 'em. Got my own swag, she